I'd like to present the DELIVER trial, which is a genomic pathway of gut microbiome to predict efficacy of nivolumab in advanced gastric cancer. As you know, in the phase 3 ATTRACTION 2 trial, about half of patients did not experience any tumor regression. Therefore, predictive biomarkers are needed for nivolumab treatment in advanced gastric cancer. Several studies showed the efficacy of anti-PD-1-based immunotherapy was associated with composition of gut microbiome in various types of cancers. However, it's not well known about gastric cancer. We therefore investigated whether genomic information in gut microbiome will serve as predictors for nivolumab in advanced gastric cancer. We performed a DELIVER trial, which is a multi-center observational translational study, which enrolled 501 patients with gastric GE junction cancer who received nivolumab monotherapy. In the biomarker study, the patient sample of feces and blood were prospectively collected before nivolumab treatment. Genomic information in fecal sample was measured by genome shotgun sequence. Primary endpoint was the relationship between genomic pathway in gut microbiome and the efficacy of nivolumab, if PD or not, at the first evaluation. In result, we found the more diverse microbiome was observed in patients with tumor response compared to patients without response. In the analysis for primary endpoint, bacterial invasion of epithelial cells pathway was associated with progression to nivolumab. Upregulation of the pathway was related to tumor progression at the first evaluation for nivolumab treatment. Also, we found two types of gut microbiome were associated with tumor response to nivolumab in the genus analysis. Patients with high score of Aurobacter had more progression in nivolumab treatment, while patients with high score of Veillonella experienced non-PD. These gut microbiome have been not yet reported before to be biomarker for immunocheckpoint inhibitor, meaning they may become specific biomarkers for advanced gastric cancer. In our study, our translation study indicated for the first time that bacterial invasion of epithelial cell pathway in gut microbiome may potentially become a novel biomarker for treatment with nivolumab in advanced gastric cancer. Also, we found gastric cancer-specific gut microbiome to predict response to immunocheckpoint inhibitors. Our study is ongoing biomarker analysis, including relationship between gut microbiome and survival time, PFS, OS, also scoring by combining gut microbiome with metabolome data.